Our air conditioning decided to break when we were outside doing yard work after I got out of work. On the hottest of days in a while, and we're gonna have in a while. And Z Company cannot come until tomorrow evening. Da fook. Da fook. And the damn unit is like barely a year old. And I'm PO'd. Can you see it? On my face. So this gets worse. So Saturday afternoon, when we realized it was broken, I called the company where we got our air conditioning from last year. It was June 7th, 2022, when they installed our new air conditioning unit and everything. And I paid over $8,000 for this. And so I called them Saturday afternoon when we realized it was broken. And whoever I spoke to said that we had an appointment for Sunday, the next day, between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. for somebody to come and fix our air conditioner. And yesterday rolls around, which was Sunday, and after 4 p.m., somebody called from a private number, and it went straight to my voicemail because my phone associates private numbers with spam. Thank God, because I don't want nobody calling me from anybody calling me from a private number. So like, if you're gonna call me, don't private yourself, because you come off as shady, and my phone knows it. So it went to voicemail after like one ring, and then like I couldn't even control it. Even if I wanted to, it wouldn't let me pick it up. It went to my voicemail, and this guy left me a message saying they're not going to be able to make it, to call back at such and such number to schedule an appointment or reschedule the appointment. And I was pissed. So I called that number, and I spoke to a really nice person who like sounded like somebody that I work with. Like, not exactly like somebody specifically that I work with, like somebody that I work with, because I work for a customer service company that does inbound calls, blah blah blah. So like, I know all about, you know, stuff people do when you call them like that. So I was like wondering actually if she worked for my company or what. But anyway, I didn't ask her. But Daniel even told me when I got off the phone with this girl, to how professional I sounded and everything, and how well I handled that. And I'm like, I guess thank you. I mean, this is exactly why I'm in the position that I am now at work, because Yeah, that's why I'm a manager. And so, anywhoosies, back to this air conditioning bullshit fiasco. So, the person I spoke to told me that they don't do reservicing appointments on the weekends. And I'm like, well, then why didn't someone tell me on Saturday that they couldn't come until at least Monday? And I said how, and I told her that I'm having a flare up right now. I have lupus, and this isn't very good for me. And like, I'm really upset. And I forgot to mention Daniel has has asthma. But anywho, like my toes and my feet are swollen again. And Saturday evening, they were like doing a 180 practically. They're still not right, but they're not as bad as they were. And I'm like, she like apologized, and she said, like, I was really pissed, but I was like nice and professional, like, because I can't help it, and as calm as I could possibly be. And she said she'll have the manager call me. They haven't called me yet. And she made an appointment for us for this morning between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. It's Monday, July 31st. And the time right now is 8:51. They will call you, like they call between, I think it's 30 to 45 minutes before they come, or 45 minutes to an hour before they come, and nobody called me yet. They haven't shown up yet, nothing. So I'm really annoyed. Daniel stayed home for a bit before he went to work so we could be here too, because he has some words he wants to say to them. And he wants to, inspect things and stuff while they're here, but he's not going to wait around too much longer because he has work to do. And so we're just waiting. And I'm like, I bet you they double book people, at least double book them for the same time on the same day. And we're probably not first on the list. Well, we should be, because I complained really bad and I'm still waiting to talk to the manager. Yeah, he's pissed. What'd you say? Because of the whole mess up, the whole BS on the weekend, they should have put us first?
Yeah.
We should have been top priority?
Yeah, I don't know what that was about Saturday, why they told us they were coming Sunday. And then they told us they don't service on Sundays.
He doesn't want to be on camera. Oh, he's gonna leave me soon. Because most likely they're probably not going to come till near noon, is what I'm thinking. Tear. We're probably going to go to the BBB like his mom did for her air conditioning problem that she had recently with some stupid ass company, a different one. What's with these stupid ass air conditioning and like cool aircon and heating companies? I don't know. Even the neighbor across the street, it looked like theirs broke because somebody came to them on Saturday evening. Somebody else, another company, not the one his mother used, not the one that we use, but somebody else. They serviced them on Saturday. That's really, 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 really poor customer service.
That the one guy told her that actually fixed it, that they don't hire skilled people, they just hire, parts changers.
Shoot.
So they don't really know what they're doing.
Oh shoot.